Alright, my YouTube family, this is your girl Miss Bev back in the house for another video. Alright, so today is Friday and it is cloudy outside, guys. So very cloudy outside. From morning it has been cloudy. I'm sure it has been raining in some places, but Miss Bev is letting you know that the long nails are gone and now it's time to make my first pudding. So I'm gonna be doing a potato pudding, guys, and I'm not taking you on the full journey with me. I'm just starting to get things ready, have my potato peeled, and that's a piece of dasheen. I had a whole dasheen to go in my pudding, but you know how it is when it's organic. They don't last too long. The shelf lives are short. So it got soft, so I only got that much out of it, but I'm cool with it. So guys, listen, my family, my MBP family, thank you so much for your support. Thank you, and welcome to all the new subscribers. I see you and I appreciate you. Thank you so much for your support. And I'm going to be grating these potatoes, getting my coconut and stuff ready. I have my nutmeg. All right, so over here, my nutmeg. It's far, right? But I have my nutmeg here. My grater is there. And I'm just getting things together. Some flour is there. I'm actually gonna put these raisins in as well. Just letting you know, guys, that today is Friday and it is my potato pudding day. So I will let you see the end result, hopefully. But just know that your girl Miss Bev is really home and is doing the things that I used to love to do with Granny, making our potato pudding. Every Sunday Granny baked something, whether it was a torta, a banana pudding, a cassava pudding, cornmeal pudding, a corn pone, the beautiful potato pudding. Granny was always making something on Sundays so that I had good breakfast on Monday to go to school or for the week. So take it easy, guys. Much love to you all, and just know that Miss Bev is here. I appreciate being home. I'm thankful, and so I'm hoping all is well with each and every one of you where you are. We're having thunder now, and you guys know how I feel with the loud noise. But just take care, everybody, and be good to yourselves. If you can't be good, be careful, but walk good, and remember, onward and upwards always. All right, so take it easy, guys.